Wildlife wonders, bears. Bears have captivated human imagination for centuries, embodying both awe and fear with their impressive size and strength. These remarkable mammals belong to the family Ursidae and are primarily found in the northern hemisphere, though their habitats range from the icy Arctic to the lush forests of North America, Asia, and Europe. There are 8 distinct species of bears, each uniquely adapted to their environment. The American black bear, the brown bear, the polar bear, the Asiatic black bear, the sloth bear, the sun bear, the spectacled bear, and the giant panda. Physical characteristics and adaptations. Bears are large, muscular mammals known for their strong limbs, sharp claws, and acute sense of smell. Depending on the species, their size varies greatly, with the polar bear, Ursus maritimus, being the largest, weighing up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms, while the sun bear, Halarctos malayanus, is the smallest, weighing between 60 to 145 pounds, 27 to 66 kilograms. Despite their size, most bears are surprisingly agile. Brown bears, for example, can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 km/h, while black bears are skilled tree climbers. Polar bears with their webbed forepaws are excellent swimmers, capable of covering vast distances in the Arctic Ocean. Diet and feeding habits. Bears are generally omnivorous, with diets that vary based on their habitats and the season. Brown bears, Ursus arctos, for instance, have a diet that includes fish, especially salmon, berries, nuts, and small mammals. The polar bear, however, is mostly carnivorous, hunting seals on the Arctic ice. Pandas, Ailuropoda melanoleuca, which were once classified as carnivores, have evolved to become almost entirely herbivorous, feeding almost exclusively on bamboo. Sun bears, Halarctos malayanus, the smallest of the bear species, have long tongues that help them extract honey and insects from tree crevices, earning them the nickname honey bear. Behavior and social structure. Bears are generally solitary creatures, with the exception of mothers and cubs. They have large territories that they defend vigorously, marking their range with scent markings. Although solitary, they are highly intelligent and have complex social structures that become apparent during feeding or mating seasons. Most bear species hibernate or enter a state of torpor during the winter months to conserve energy. Their metabolism slows, and they survive off their fat reserves. Pregnant females give birth during this period, and the cubs remain with their mother until they are strong enough to venture out on their own. Conservation status and threats. The bear family faces numerous threats, primarily from habitat loss and illegal hunting. The polar bear is particularly vulnerable due to the melting of Arctic ice, which is vital for its hunting activities. Giant pandas are endangered mainly due to habitat fragmentation and limited food resources. On a positive note, conservation efforts have helped improve the populations of certain bear species. Strict protection measures and habitat preservation have seen the numbers of giant pandas and American black bears increase over the past few decades. Fascinating facts about bears. 1. Communication. Bears communicate through vocalizations, body language, and scent markings. Grizzly bears, a subspecies of brown bear, are known to use their sense of smell to recognize family members. 2. Hibernation. While in hibernation, a bear's body temperature drops significantly and its heart rate slows down from 40 to 50 beats per minute to as low as 8 to 10 beats per minute. 3. Dietary adaptability. Bears can adapt their diets according to the availability of food in their environment, from vegetation to large prey, making them opportunistic feeders. 4. Intelligence. Bears have been observed using tools in the wild, such as using rocks to break open shellfish, demonstrating a high level of problem-solving ability. Bears are truly fascinating creatures that have adapted to survive in diverse environments. Despite facing significant threats, their resilience and the ongoing conservation efforts give hope for their continued survival in the wild. Helping bears, conservation efforts and human actions. Bears, with their majestic presence and remarkable adaptations, face numerous challenges, many of which are directly or indirectly caused by human activities. However, there are steps we can take to ensure their survival and promote a more harmonious coexistence. 1. Habitat preservation. The primary threat to bear populations is habitat destruction due to urbanization, deforestation, and climate change. Supporting initiatives that protect and restore bear habitats is crucial. Organizations like WWF and various national parks are actively working to conserve forests, wetlands, and Arctic regions that are home to diverse bear species. Individuals can contribute by supporting these organizations or advocating for policies that prioritize habitat preservation. 2. Reducing human-wildlife conflict. In regions where human settlements border bear habitats, conflicts arise due to competition for resources or simple misunderstandings. Bears might raid garbage bins or crops, leading to retaliatory actions from humans. Installing bear-proof garbage containers, securing livestock, and educating communities on how to coexist with bears can significantly reduce these conflicts. 3. Combating poaching and illegal trade. Bears are often targeted for their body parts, especially bile used in traditional medicine, and their fur. Supporting anti-poaching initiatives and spreading awareness about the impact of illegal wildlife trade can help reduce demand for bear products and protect these animals from illegal hunting. 4. Promoting sustainable tourism. Wildlife tourism can have both positive and negative impacts on bear populations. On one hand, responsible tourism can fund conservation efforts and provide economic incentives for local communities to protect bears. On the other hand, unregulated tourism can disturb bears and their habitats. Tourists should opt for guided wildlife tours that follow ethical guidelines and respect the natural environment. In conclusion, bears are more than just awe-inspiring creatures. They are symbols of the natural world's complexity and beauty. Protecting them requires a concerted effort from governments, organizations, and individuals. By understanding their ecological role, supporting conservation initiatives, and striving for harmonious coexistence, we can help ensure that bears continue to roam our world's forests and mountains for generations to come.